Namaste, welcome to Bhari Bhari new tutorial. I had also made a tutorial in the past which was slightly advanced. This is a simplified version. This is more for the stage. You can do it in group, you can do it solo, and it's a new version. Okay? This I actually taught in Kolkata at Art Atelier Studio. So I'm going to teach you the same version now again here. First you will back the audience and you will take circular movements of your kalai 2 times. 1, 2 and third time you will stop. Okay, I'll show you this frontal. Your both the hands go towards the left. Then it goes round, 2, 3, 4. Now when you do 3, 4, you stretch your body up and your weight is on the right leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Let's do it like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You bring your hands in. Use your left hand to turn. When you use your left hand, it's a Madhya Hasta Chakra. You use this and you come back to Utpatti here. Now this is really slow in the beginning when the singer is taking the alap. That is when you do this. And the music is also edited, so I will also give you the edited music. Now from here, you take your right hand down in a Sthira Hasta. So it goes down here, left hand is still up, weight is on the right leg. Then you go behind, circular movement, small, not big one, just small. And then you show the Mangtika, Kataka Mukha. Okay, we are showing the Shringar. So, Mangtika and looking right side down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is on the alap and you have to use your own judgment. There are no specific counts to it. I'm teaching you in counts, but when you play the music, you have to understand and have your own judgment and timing for this. Now from here, you will turn again over the left shoulder and then you will apply the bindi. Okay, like this. तो आपने बिंदी लगाया, फिर lipstick because we're doing Shringar, so लिपस्टिक करके फिर आपने पूरा अपने फेस को ऐसे देखकर आईने में शर्मा जाना. You feel shy. You do this and you look in the mirror and then you go like this. But come on, you're too beautiful. Now let's go and do some work. Okay? So in the morning when you wake up, you get fresh, you do your Shringar and then the daily activity starts. So only this much we will do with music. After you've done this, you go back and again you use the left hand turn in the beginning. Then it starts Bhari Bhari, the song starts. Okay? The lyric starts. Now we'll try this with music. Not necessary to wear ghungru. I'm wearing ghungru because I was also doing some other practice. That's why. And starts. Turn. Stay here in the pose. Now turn. Now going back. Go back. Turn. Going ahead. So we came in front. Now from here you take the matki. So the mouth of the pot you will hold like this and the base. And you fill water and you put it up on your head. You adjust it. Okay. So bhari bhari matki jal so. Okay. You are showing that the pot is full of water. And you just pose here. The water is not falling. This is just a decorative movement. So first here, showing the shape of the pot. Then it goes down and here it stops. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 you will finish here. Then you walk in front. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you are going out in the village and you meet your friend here. So here, then you walk and you point towards the left side then bring it in and down. So this is your pose. You bring your hand in, left hand Chakra Hasta, and you turn to bring it down. Make sure that your hand is rotating from outside the palm. Okay, like this. So this also helps you to turn and come down. Again, bhari, bhari. Now first I take it in, take it towards the left and up. And then this pose, I stay here, then I walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn. With music from the very beginning, so that we get the connection. Take your time here to apply. Now, walking back, turn.
भरी भरी मटके जैसो भरी भरी मटके जैसो चल चल.
Second time after you turn, again bhari bhari matki jal so. Clear? This same action will repeat again. Let's move ahead. Second bhari 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 matki jal so. Till here we did. Now from here, from this pose, now you bring your hands down. So chale chale like this, showing the path towards the right side. Chale chale, turn. Chale dagar chali, third and front. Matlab you are taking 3 steps towards the left side. So 1, 2, 3 and front. Okay. So first the action is going towards the right side. Turn, now going towards the left side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step and turn. Footwork is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step and turn. Pug, pug, pug. Okay, small steps, small steps. Okay, I could hear, she's saying I could hear some small sound of the foot, you know, some small movement. So that is what she's saying. Pug, 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 dhwani sun chok padi. Okay, dhwani ke liye pointing towards your ear. Dhwani sun chok padi. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you move, जो थोड़ा झाड़ वगैरह पत्ता वगैरह है, the bush, you will move like this, and you will see that Krishna is there, telling your friends, see, he is there. Okay, again, actually I'll show you the music. This song is something that can be explained with music much better. This is all the Shringar part. Let's take it from here.
भरी भरी मटके जैसो
Walk.
भरी भरी मटके जैसो चल चल कहीं डगर चली पग 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 ध्वनि सुन चौंक पड़ी कहीं कहीं.
So if you've understood, we'll do it again with the music from the very beginning. Chalo. Yes. This is Katika Mukha up. Turn. Ready.
भरी भरी मटके जैसो भरी भरी मटके जैसो चल चल कहीं डगर चली पग 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 ध्वनि सुन चौंक पड़ी कहीं
Gai gai. So first, now your hand has been pulled by Krishna, the naughty Krishna. Hand has been pulled. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you turn and पीछे पकड़ा. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. पहले तो आगे पकड़ा, घुमा के फिर ऐसे पकड़ लिया. Okay. 2 different ways of holding the hand. छुड़वा के फिर सामने. Only this part is music.
भरी भरी मटके जैसो चल चल कहीं डगर चली पग 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 ध्वनि सुन चौंक पड़ी कहीं मेरी बाह गई भरी भरी मटके जैसो चल चल कहीं
बाद में आफ्टर आपने छुड़ा के आपको करना है 1 2 3 4 5 6. मतलब आपको सारे 2 3 4 को नहीं मारना है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you have to count and 1 2 3 4 5. एक और 5 को मारना है. राइट लेफ्ट you have to look. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 6 7 8. Now you've done 4 times this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7. अभी थोड़ा फास्ट मूवमेंट है. आगे चलना है. 1 2 3 4. 3 4 कैसे हुआ? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 you walk. 1 2. तो हाथ को ऐसे लहरा के आपको चलना है आगे. 1 2 फिर घुमा के 3 4 एंड देन 1 2 3 करके. तो राइट साइड पहले आपको बाहर बाहर अंदर बाहर एंड देन 5 6 7 आपने ये नीचे कर दिया. मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 down 2 3 4 down down 2 3 4. आपको पीछे जाना है. Okay, with music we'll check the counts once again. Just before the next line starts, you have to be in your first position.
कहीं मेरी बाह गई
5 6 7.
भरी भरी मटके जैसो चल चल
पीछे.
कहीं डगर चली
5 6
डगर चली देखो डगर चली.
तो ये मटकी रखिए. आपके पास 4 काउंट्स है. 5 6 7 8 जगह पे जाना. एक बार फिर से हम करेंगे इसको समझकर.
बाह गई
5 6
भरी
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
डगर चली देखो डगर चली.
पूरा आपको 1 2 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? From the beginning till here we'll do it. Let's try. Turn. Turn. सामने मिरर में देखो. Turn.
भरी भरी मटकी जैसो भरी भरी मटकी जैसो चल चल कहीं डगर चली पग 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 ध्वनि सुन चौंक पड़ी कहीं कहीं मेरी बाह गई भरी भरी मत जैसो चल चल कहीं डगर चली
5, 6, 7. The next movement, let's go ahead from here. Now you will travel diagonal in front. The movement is after we have finished this. We came here 5, 6, 7, 8. यहाँ पे सेंटर पे हाथ रखे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see कितना हाथ को स्ट्रेच करना है और बॉडी को भी. तो पहले आप अपना फ्रंटल, ओके, फ्रंट साइड बट लुकिंग बिहाइंड लेफ्ट. फिर आपको अपना बैक साइड ऑडियंस को दिखाना है, देन फ्रंट साइड एंड बैक. सो यू एक्चुअली ट्रैवल 1, 2, 3, 4 करके यहीं से आपको पहले 1, 2 काउंट्स में एक ही टर्न. 1, 2, 3, 4. पहले स्लो टर्न होगा कैसे 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 फास्ट टर्न्स होंगे. ओके, वी ट्राई दिस पार्ट विद म्यूजिक. घुंघरू भी टूट रहे हैं.
कहीं डगर चली चल चल कहीं डगर चली
5, 6, 7. Slow. Fast. Back. If you are very good with your turns, then you can do from here 1, 2, 3 and stop. You can also do 3 turns and finish in front. But I would suggest 2 turns so that you can do the next movement gracefully.
कहीं डगर चल चल कहीं डगर चली डगर चली देखो डगर चली
Slow.
डगर चली देखो डगर
Great. Only till here we will do it with music from the beginning. Down. Mantika. Turn.
भरी भरी मटकी जल
next movement is first from the left side. You will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look right side. Now front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in front. So first you will look back. 1, 2, look right side. Send your right hand. Bring it back to Utpatti. Now this hand, use this hand to turn and look right side again. Now right, look left, look in front. Okay? Because now they're gonna finish in front. Okay? So da 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 da. Okay, both the sides we do. First we do diagonally behind, then we do it in front. Now when you do this movement, you have to really stretch from down to up. Da 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 da. And then the Antara starts. Okay, I think Antara will do it in the part 2 of this tutorial. We'll only do it till here, from the beginning till here. Make it perfect and then go ahead. Position, be ready and start. Look slightly down diagonally. Now turn. Look straight.
भरी भरी मटके जैसा भरी भरी मटके जैसा चल चल कहीं डगर चली पग 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 ध्वनि सुन चौंक पड़ी कहीं कहीं मेरी बाह गई भरी भरी चल चल कहीं डगर चली
Okay, there are 2 ways of doing this. 1, 2, you don't look there and then you look there. No, but what we do is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very slow. Great. So that's all for part 1. For now, practice till here. Then we'll go ahead. I usually don't put too much of energy when I'm doing tutorial because it might just kind of intimidate you. I don't want to do that. It's very easy. Aram se karo, do it slowly. Learn it step by step, each step, understand how it's going, what is the movement, how to show the path, how to come back. Then this side. When you come back, you already face the left side. So you know you have to go 1, 2. If you can't do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, then you can just do single step, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all of these things. One more thing, this is really fast. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you have to finish here. Then da 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 da. Okay, मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then comes the Antara. That's all for now. Thank you very much. Namaste. Jai Shri Krishna.